Bye. Hey, let's show Nana how you over here. Terrorizing. I thought that this was the gift that y'all gave her, but y'all gave her one like this. So I have to look through it. I don't know. But I thought this was the one that y'all got for her. Because it, no, don't put that there. But, so she over here painting. And then go 11:30 a.m. painting all of her hand. Craziness. I don't know if any other mothers feel this way, but today is a day I'm just like, I'm glad that I gotta go to work because I'm just like sad. I'm getting rid of all my baby's stuff, her side bed, her high chair, her swing thing, bottle warmer, all that. She said too. Saying goodbye. Gonna stay in the family.
Get the cars. Right there, get them. He said, this is a racetrack, man. Come on. It's a racetrack. Let's go. Fast as you can. It's okay. It's okay, it's okay. Go get the car, mama. It's okay.
Sí. Sí. 39 por 36 meses. So todo es...
Voy a... Es que mi hermano habla inglés. Habla bien inglés.
¿Tu hermano tiene AT&T?
No,
¿Metro?
metro.
Ok.
Pero él se quiere pasar para acá.
So, ¿cuántos pago en Metro?
El metro, 35
35.
mensual.
Ok.
Pero el celular no, yo lo compré de contado.
¿Cuántas líneas?
Tenemos
1,
35
2.
yo, 35 mi hermano. A dos
Son dos, ok.
Son 75.
Sí, AT&T es mucho dinero. Sí.
No, o sea, el plan, el celular está
El
bien.
plan, sí.
El celular está bien, pero el plan, no. No sé qué hacer. Voy a esperar que salga el del trabajo. Y vengo con él. Él le entiende más, mi hermano. Que salga del trabajo. Work.
He's working?
Mi hermano.
¿Tu hermano es trabajador?
Trabaja ahí.
Oh, ok.
En Ponce León.
Oh, ok.
A lo que salga de trabajar, vengo con él.
Ok.
Todos. Ya hablo
Ok.
contigo. Él
Ok.
habla inglés.
Yeah, ok.
Más
Ok.
fácil.
Licencia.
Más fácil. Ya.
Licencia y social. You got it? Okay,
Gracias.
good. De nada. Mucho gusto.
Igualmente, gracias.
No, I ain't. You didn't tell me he was right. Do it for me, man.
Go! mommy. Go, mommy. Go, mommy. Go, mommy. Go, mommy.
Woohoo! I would like to lay down, but Chloe has all her kids being in my, like being babysat by me, I guess, and they're in my space. You hear something in there? Come here, because if something pop out on you, I'm gonna have to beat it up. Bet. Why is this your favorite song? We a team, what you mean? We a team, we a team. Sing it, Coco. Come here. What you mean? We a team. What you mean? We a team. Take over the year. Another year.
It's your bestie, Miss Westy. Don't try to test me. It's gonna get messy. It's gonna get messy. Just bless me. Bless me. It's your bestie, Miss Westy. Just tryna bless me. Just bless me. Bless me.
Right. I can't see your baby. Let me see your baby. Bring me your baby. Why you hold your baby like that? That's not how you supposed to hold your baby. Oh my gosh. Look at the baby, okay. How well, baby? Hi, well, baby. Oh, baby sleeping. Hi, good night. Baby sleeping? Oh, good mama.
Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. More. Here you go. 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 More. Here you go. Here you go. More. Here you go. Here you go. No, no, no. Yeah. Coco. Caca. Hello, Coco. Hey, Coco.
Turn it down. Turn it on. See? What's that? What's this? What's this?
Mommy.
Oh, that's mommy?
Daddy.
Okay. Who's that?
No.
What's that?
Daddy.
Who's this?
Hey, Daddy.
What's this one? Daddy, okay, we got it.
Mommy.
Yes, sing the music. Who's that, Coco?
Coco.
Yes, Coco? And who's that?
Egg.
It's Egg. Good job.
Oh.
Is that a ball?
Ball.
Is that a, what's this?
Nene.
A bear?
Bear.
Is that Hefe?
Mm.
What? How do you say dog? What's that? Tomato?
Fifi.
That's an owl.
Puppy.
You say thank you, Nana, for my book.
Puppy. Puppy. Car. Fat.
Rockin' race car.
Car.
We can do this when we're done with the tissue box. We can create one. But I think that is a sloth in that photo. Hold up. She keeps trying to turn it around because they're upside down. Then when she opens it, she realizes it's upside down. And she turns it back around. When Harry met Snowball. Okay. Is that a dog?
Dog.
What does dogs do?
Dog.
What does dogs do? Show me what a dog do. Woof, woof. Woof, woof. Come on. Let's show Erica how much water you caught yesterday. I should have had this out here. She got a full jug. We're going to put this in a... You want more? That's no. That's enough. Okay. Okay. Shake it off. Shake it off. No more. Coco, let it go, let it go. Rise and break the dawn. Let it go, let it go. Us perfect girl is gone. Here I stand in the light of day. Let the storm rage on. Bother me anyway. The cold bothers me, but this song resonates with my spirit. I came to the conclusion that I am more ghetto than what I expected. As soon as the music came on, she said, "Hey, hey." Lord Jesus, don't let me have. I don't want no Atlanta peach. Let's get her into some. Okay, we get it. Hey, hey, hey. don't be on your daddy's note. You gotta be on black note. There we go. Hey, 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 hey.